Alright, today we're going to test this prototype of a 210 grain solid brass bullet for the 41 Great Lakes, and we've got one of the creators of the 41 Great Lakes, John Up, and he will tell you some more information about it. Go ahead.
What we're developing this for is potentially we've got somebody going to Africa and we wanted a dangerous game bullet, and we don't want anyone to think we're developing this for destroying body armor. That's not it. It's about bear protection, Cape buffalo, hippos, things like that. And so we're basically developing this for an African hunt, and that's the whole point of the video.
Alright, so we're going to get a couple of shots on the chronograph and get a velocity, and then we're going to shoot a couple of different targets and see what kind of penetration we can get out of these things. So let's do it. Well, here we go. We're going to take a couple of shots and get a velocity on these 210 grain prototypes. So go ahead and let's see where we're at.
$22.50 for shot one.
$22.50. All right, let's do another one. $22.32. $22.51, and we're going to be good right there. All right, well, we had an 18-inch barrel on the AR. This is a 22-inch barrel, so we're going to see if we get any more velocity out of it. It may not be John's intent to make something that goes through body armor, but that's kind of my thing. So we got a level 3 plus plate down there, and we're gonna let it go right now and see what happens. All right, let's walk down and see what it did. All right, so we're down here at the target right now, and you can't really see it too well, but there is a bulge where it caught it, and all the anti-spalling did catch that brass round. So you can get that focused on there. But it did not bend the plate, which is not too much of a surprise. We got 2323 out of that 22-inch barrel, feet per second, the 2323 feet per second. So, I mean, it's far shy of the 3100 that you need to go through this kind of plate. Let's see what else we can do. All right, so we tried the level 3 plus plate. Now we have a level 4 ceramic plate, and we're going to try hitting it with the brass 41 Great Lakes. Go ahead, Tyler. All right, that one came in at 2316, so let's go down and see what it did. All right, we're down here at the plate, and we found the bullet. That's what's left of our solid brass 41 Great Lakes bullet. Focus on that thing. And we got a whole lot of stuff broke up in here. The impressive part, though, if we can get it, you see there's a bulge right there. Now, for something that's supposed to stop 30-06 armor piercing, to have a bulge and as much devastation as we had going down into here, I think that proves that if this was taken out to do Cape buffalo or some big game like that, it would have plenty of power to get in there and puncture the shoulder and get into the vitals and everything. So I think we might be onto something. Let's see what else we can do. Alright, so we're going to shoot a cinder block up here and try to represent the shoulder bones of Cape buffalo and see how many we can pass through. We got the camera down there, hopefully get some slow motion. Go ahead, Tyler. All right, that one came in at 2300 even. Let's go see what it did. Alright, so here we are down at the target. It clearly took out the two walls of the first cinder block here. You can see where it came through. That might even be a little piece of... Nope, that's something in the cinder block. But anyways, you can see where it came through. Cleared both sides of one cinder block. And then we came in here, punched a clean hole through the third layer of the cinder block. We have cracks and everything for that. And you can see right there where it actually hit with enough force to chip the fourth layer of the cinder block. So I would say that we have definitely created something that you could go big game hunting, or, you know, pretty much take out anything in North America and most things in Africa with. So we'll get another one here and close up. Alright, well there it is, the 210 grain brass prototype. I think we had a pretty decent success with it today. We're going to definitely be making some more now that we know that it works, and maybe refining it a little bit. But if you want more information on the 41 Great Lakes, I'll have a link down in the description of the video that will take you to all of my links. And I've created a path to their Facebook page, which is the 41 Great Lakes Shooters. And that's their group on Facebook page, where you're going to be able to find the most information about it. But thank you for watching, and we will have more to come with this impressive new cartridge.